Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the new Fire TV Cube, which is one of Amazon's latest new products that has a really awesome feature. It actually does a whole bunch of stuff, but there's one specific thing that when I heard this product did this, I fell in love, which is being able to control your TV hands-free. So I'm not going to talk too much. This is an unboxing, so let's get this out of the box and let's take a look at it. So, shout out to Amazon. They always make it really easy to open the products with these little labels on the side here. Can't say the same for a lot of other companies. You got razor blades and all these other things. They make it pretty simple, and I appreciate that. So, here we go. See, again, no need to get out the razor blade, just pull that. There we go. And here we are. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So let's go ahead and get this out of the wrapping. There's a little tab right here. So it looks really cool. It actually looks a little bit bigger on the ad, but it's actually pretty small. Got some more plastic on here. Take that off. There we go. Okay, so there are some instructions, so don't pull all the plastic off right away. Let's take a look at the back. So we've got some basic instructions here. So it just tells you, hey, Fire Cube proper placement, unobstructed and facing where you sit. So obviously you want this to be right next to your TV or underneath your TV. It says at least 1 foot away from speakers. So keep that in mind if you have a sound bar or again, any surround sound, and not in a closed cabinet. So this does need to be in plain view. And the reason for that, if I had to guess, is because of the different speakers, so that it can hear you say the command Alexa and they can activate and obviously figure out whatever it is you need her to do. On the back here we have Alexa, off. See, she heard me. She started listening. That's our Echo Show, which we have in here. So we have an HDMI port on the back, just one. Our infrared signal here, and looks like another port. We're gonna go ahead and pull this off now that we've read those instructions. And let's get that whole layer of tape. And there we go. So, I thought there would be more ports on the back here, but I guess we'll figure out all the other details later. I will do a setup video, so I'll show you how to get this set up in your house, how to get linked up to your cable and all your other good stuff. So we do have a USB. This is a micro USB here, infrared signal, HDMI, and slot for power. That's your front right there. And here is the very top. So same setup as you'll see on any other Echo device, like the Echo Dot, for example. Got your volume, got your mute button, and I believe that is just a power button right there. Might be a button to activate a different way, Alexa or something like that. We'll see. Again, we'll play with it and give you all the goods. Let's clear that up so you can see what's going on here. Let's see what else we have here in the box. Instructions. Cube, Fire Cube, there we go. All right, so we have 3 things in here. We have a power adapter. We have an optional IR extender cable, so that's so you can link it for them to be able to read the remote, which I believe, again, I'm guessing because I haven't set it up yet, but if you want to use your TV remote or cable remote, I'm guessing that's what that's for. We'll confirm that in the setup video. And there's an optional Ethernet adapter, which is great because if you can, for people who don't have the strongest signal, power cable right there. If you don't have the strongest Wi-Fi signal and your TV just happens to be close to your router or your modem, you do want to plug up with Ethernet because that will give you the strongest connection possible. However, if your internet is in the other room, then that wouldn't be possible. So just keep that in mind. But I love that this is an option and they give it to you right in the box. So no need to order any extra parts. And I'm actually pretty surprised because normally Amazon is, you know, hey, you know, go order from our website, but they just went ahead and included it. So that's awesome. Love that. There's an Ethernet adapter. This is our infrared adapter right here, which again, I'm guessing is to be able to link up with your existing remotes. We'll find out soon. And we get some batteries. Amazon doesn't leave you stranded because they have their own line of batteries. So batteries, and we have our Fire TV remote with the voice control at the top here. So you can still use a remote, which is great. I think that's important. You can still use your remote, or you can just use your voice and not have to use the remote. It's up to you. We'll play around with it. The main thing I want to see from all of this is how accurate it is, because for example, I have a Apple TV right now and I really can't ask Siri everything. I say certain titles and no matter how I say it, it just does not pick it up. So the big thing I'm looking for, aside from being able to control my TV, which I'm very excited to do that, but I want to see how accurate it picks up my voice from far away. And my aim would be to be able to walk in the room and just say, hey, turn on the TV and, you know, turn on the Marlon Show, or, you know, turn on Master Chef, and it'd be able to pick up my voice and do it without me having to say it 2 or 3 times. If I have to say it multiple times, that's going to be annoying. So we'll see. You guys, we are officially unboxed here and ready to try this thing out. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna do first impressions. So we're gonna tell you when we first set it up, kind of what we think of it so far. We will give you a should you buy it, and if so, how many reasons, what reasons are there to buy it. And we'll also look for any cool tips and tricks. So if there's anything now on the surface you can do with it, we'll definitely show you how to do that. But you gotta be a subscriber to know when those videos are coming. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if you did find it helpful. Make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.